Hello there. Here are some simple yet effective ways at helping you save money, reduce waste, save energy, and help with climate change. I made sure to add options that are useful, and most of them will be a blessing instead of a burden. We have 17 options today which are not so hard to find online. So let's get started. Number 1. Reusable smart notebooks. Those notebooks are very cool and simple. You write on them and they feel like any other normal notebook, except that once you are done, you can scan it and save it on your device or on a cloud, and then erase the page and use it again. Most smart notebooks have a capacity of 500 uses, so for the price, you are getting an amazing product, and you save the planet by using 499 less notebooks. Number 2. This one is quite a useful option. Reusable baking sheets. How many baking sheets do you use every year? Quite a lot, I guess. But with these baking sheets, well, they will survive for at least a couple of years. That's a lot of baking sheets saved. They are simple to use and not too hard to clean, as long as you use the right soap on it. Speaking about soap, number 3. Dish soap. There are many soaps that are more environmental friendly that you can get your hands on and will still get the job done just as effective as any other soap. Number 4. Do you enjoy using straws with your cold drinks? Well, you can get permanent straws that will survive a lifetime. You can get a nice pack of stainless steel straws, enough for a whole family. Number 5. Clothes. There are many companies that encourage the production of environmental friendly clothes by improving the health of its workers, production lines, and products as well. And even better is number 6. Did you know that most clothes people buy are thrown into the closet and are worn around 2 to 3 times before they are thrown away? Well, you can get your hands on such clothes for a cheaper price at a thrift shop, which have not really lost any quality in them either. And it's probably the healthiest way to reduce waste while still maintaining high enough quality standards. And don't worry, the clothes are always deep cleaned before they are sold. Number 7. Shower heads and tap heads. Most taps are wasting a lot of water, hurting both your wallet as well as the planet. A one-time change of your shower head will decrease the amount of excess water but will still feel like you are getting a strong water pressure. Number 8. If you are interested in trying to find other unconventional ways to helping the environment, then maybe reading some books about them will give you some ideas and inspiration. And even better, you can read them as ebooks, which brings us to number 9. Ebook readers and Kindles, most of which are designed to conserve energy. That way, you produce less paper waste from the books as well. Option 10 is an interesting one. Wool balls that you throw into your dryer. These balls reduce your electric use of the dryer by around 25%, saving money on your bills and keeping you with a happy conscience. The balls absorb the extra moisture of the clothes and also help improve the final quality of the materials by removing certain debris. And you can reuse them up to 1,000 times. So they are totally worth it. Next up, we're going to go to the electronics side. But first, are you finding these products useful? It would be interesting to hear your opinions in the comments below. Also, if you have more cool ideas, then make sure to help everyone out and mention them as well. Number 11. Eco-friendly phone cases. There are a lot of phone cases that can protect your phone and look amazing, but use more efficient materials. Number 12 is solar panel phone chargers. This is a great option both to charge your phone, but also most of them will provide you with nightlight as well if necessary. Number 13. An energy meter reader. One way to save energy is to start keeping track of it on a more consistent basis. You will be able to find out what products are making your electricity bill big and zapping all the electricity. Number 14. Solar panel powered watches. Instead of having to change batteries every few years, solar batteries will keep your watch running for longer. But make sure you are in a sunny country for the solar options. Number 15. Rechargeable batteries. Batteries have really toxic chemicals in them, so if you are going to get batteries, you might as well get rechargeable ones, saving you money in the long term and producing less battery waste as well. The last two options are more simple options. Number 16. Reusable sealed snack bags. These can come in handy from time to time, whether for your children going to school or for lunch breaks at work. Instead of throwing away the snack bags all the time, you can get a sealed one that is easy to clean and reuse. And finally, in number 17, if you like drinking tea and you go through hundreds of tea bags a year, you might want to get a tea infuser and start using fresh tea. It will taste better and save you from throwing away all those tea bags. And that's it for today. If you are interested, I have a video coming up comparing the best smart notebooks available, so be ready for that video. I hope this video was helpful and wish you a great day.